Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 2nd Feb 2022. Today's fiber topic name is constructor in Java. So, firstly, we discuss about what is constructor. In programming language, constructor is a block of code. Constructor is a special method of Java programming. Constructor are used in programming language. Constructor uh, are using parameters. Constructor are um, uh, constructor are constructor name are same as a class name. Uh, constructor are not static because static are not included or created object, but constructor are created object or require object in programming. Constructor are not final and synchronized. Then constructor is a uh, public access modifier in programming language. uh, Constructor are used in programming. Then we discuss about various then we discuss about main three ways are included in constructor in programming to initialize object. Then first one is a by using reference variable, we can create or initialize object. Then second one is a by using method we can create or initialize object. Then third one is a by using constructor we can create or initialize object. Then we discuss about the main then we discuss about characteristics of constructor. uh, the in Java programming language, constructor are various characteristic to initialize the object and reference variable in Java programming language. Then we discuss about characteristics of constructor. Then first one is a the name of constructor is same as the class name. Then second one is a the constructor should uh, not true in return type, such as int, float, character, etc. Then we return type with constructor in programming. Then we discuss about um, constructor are mainly divided into uh, two two main uh, two main constructor are two main types. First one is a default constructor and second one is a parameterized constructor. Then we discuss about one by one. First one is a parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor are passes parameters in Java programming. Then the a constructor is called a parameterized constructor. We can provide a parameter in programming. The parameters are used to initialize object in data of programming language. Then second one is a default constructor. The default constructor are not used in programming. Then default constructor are automatically calling by program. Then whenever we can create an object in programming language or initialize programming language, in Java word is called as virtual machine. Then constructor is a special method in Java programming. Then Constructor is a constructor is a return type are included in Java programming, like as a void. Uh, Void is not return type are included in programming. Then int float is included return type in programming language. Uh, that's all about today's topic, constructor in Java. Thank you.